So what you can also do is you can go ahead and import out your own media files from your computer as well. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto Insert, then choose Upload right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, over here, what you can do is choose an image. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead right here and select out this image right here and click on Open. Let's say, for example, just like this. And then you can see that this image is inserted out right here. Apart from that, you can also go around over here onto Insert, and then you can go ahead and upload out a video as you need as well. Let's say, for example, you can simply select out a video, and there you go. You got the video right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and import out audio files if you wish. So once you go around onto Insert, you can go around over here onto, let's say, for example, audio section, and then insert out the audio file, and the audio file gets inserted around over here just like this. And that is how you can import out your own media files from your computer inside of Google Vids as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.